Okay, so this is the Tenzi game. You can actually purchase these separately or you can purchase them together. The dice will go ahead and come in different colors as well. These are basically the cards to be able to play this particular game. This actually comes with information to be able to go ahead and play as well. But if you are a huge dice player, this actually goes ahead and it gives you 77 different ways to actually play Tenzi. So there's some instructions here as far as how to play regular Tenzi game, pattern games, non-speed games, because Tenzi is a game of speed. I have not opened these, so as you can see, it still does have the plastic than when I just took them out of the box. But like this is left-see, right-see. And so you're going to switch hands after each and every roll. Right, left, right, left, right, left, etc. And so the dice will come in several different numbers. You can get sets of 6, 10, etc. And so the instructions on playing Tenzi are here, rolled up. And the object is, of course, to be the first player to get all 10 of your dice to show the same number. That is how you play. But if you want to make the game more interesting, you can actually purchase these cards that you can go ahead and play with your Tenzi game. This is really good if you are on the drive or if you are out camping, if you have a family who likes to play dice games. This is exactly kind of what it is that you're looking for. But the dice are different colors, as you can see here. They come in all different colors. They do not have any type of like stickers or anything on them, so the color is not going to come off. And they're very nice in weight. They're not very heavy. But the best thing I think about Tenzi is that it definitely has all the bright colors, and you can get a multitude of colors in this particular game.